Hi, it's Claire Saunders from What's New in Electronics. I'm here at Southern Manufacturing and Electronics, and I've been joined by Chris Williams from SolderStar. Hey Chris, how are you?
I'm really good, thank you, and really pleased to be here with you.
Good stuff. It's nice to chat to each other on home turf.
I know it's rare to bump into each other in the UK. It's always in the other shows across the continent.
That's
but
right.
It's nice to be here and nice to be around friendly customers that know us so well.
Yeah, and you guys, although you're not exhibiting directly, you are represented here by your distributor Altus.
Yes, correct. Altus have a big booth here and they're showing our product out to our UK customers. For us, it's a worthwhile partnership where they're able to see more people due to the varied product they sell.
Yeah.
And so it suits us to come down and support them a little bit.
Brilliant, great stuff. And obviously there's lots of products that you sell, a variation of products. We spoke about it briefly at Productronica when we met up. So you have quite a few new products. And when we chatted at Productronica, things were very positive. I think everybody was surprised about how buzzy and positive the show was. Has 26 started like it kind of felt that it should?
Perfectly so. I think I would have liked a little bit of an easier start in January, as no doubt everyone would. It's taken me a little while to survive the break. But in terms of what happened at Productronica, it was phenomenal. We launched the Waveshuttle Low 2, which was for analysing the nitrogen or the oxygen levels within a wave machine, and that's been taken up very nicely by the automotive companies, which we're pleased with because we know that they were struggling a little bit generally as an industry. So that's gone down very well, and also our expansion of the vapor phase equipment and to go into the verification for that.
Yeah.
We're seeing an awful lot more people moving from the constant product check-in to the machine verification.
Okay.
And that suits us because that's where we seem to be heading as well.
Yeah, so you're definitely seeing trends.
Yes, always. These trends always come through in cycles where there's buzz, there's Industry 4.0, there's all the words lead-free, that we've been through it long enough where we've seen it. And the verification is clearly something that people are going down. It's a labour saving without the extreme level of constant monitoring.
Okay, fantastic, great stuff. So, good vibes from the previous shows, good vibes here so far, and being a UK company, I mean, it must be nice to be able to support the UK market because you've established.
Always, and it's probably our biggest market share is in our home market.
Yeah.
And there's no probably, it is our biggest market share, and it's nice to see the people who are using our product. Obviously, the bigger industries always tend to be abroad from the UK now. But here is where we meet the people that do the job.
Yeah.
And I always like it better around this show because the actual process engineers are walking around, not the process managers or anything like that, it's the engineers that are able to come around for a couple of hours, and it's good to have just a catch up with them and a chat.
Yeah, that's it. And are you seeing, I mean, the UK market in general, obviously it's always been challenging, the UK marketplace. You're seeing positive signs?
Yeah, I think generally the UK is actually, I think, in a stronger position than most people believe.
Yeah.
I think generally things are a little bit strange at this current time given the geopolitical problems that are going on in the world, but we're really strong. I think we seem to sit out on a little limb by ourselves, and the UK is doing really well for it.
That's great, good stuff. It's good to know. I mean, it has been very encouraging, the show. It is, but like you say, there's been a great buzz. Obviously nice to see you here in the UK, and wish you guys all the best. Hope 2026 continues as it started for you, and I'm sure we'll be catching up somewhere across the globe very soon.
Thank you very much, Claire. I look forward to seeing you wherever we are next.
Thanks, Chris. Thank you.